Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday the 3rd of June 2018 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 1st of June. Gold fell $8 last week from $1,301 to $1,293, having hit a high of $1,306 and a low of $1,291. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £968, that's down £10. And in euros, it closed at €1,109, that's down €8 on the week. Silver fell 11 cents, from $16.51 to $16.40, having hit a high of $16.59 and a low of $16.33. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.29, that's down 13 pence. And in euros, it closed at 14.07 euros, that's down 0.11 euros. The gold to silver ratio rose again slightly from 78.80 to 1 to 78.84 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 24,635, up 219 points on the day, but down 120 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 7,554, up 112 points on the day, and up 121 points on the week. Brent crude rose 35 cents, from $76.44 to $76.79, and US light crude fell $2.07, from $67.88 to $65.81. The dollar index stands at 94.15, down just 0.10 on the week. Gold fell initially at the start of last week, recovered and fell back again on Friday, after a drop in Treasury yields and geopolitical tensions in Italy easing. A stronger than forecast US jobs report raised expectations that the Fed will press ahead with another US interest rate hike this month. The meeting with Kim Jong-un being back on the agenda will further add pressure to gold and silver prices this coming week. On the other side, of course, any strengthening in the euro against the dollar as a result of political tensions in Italy easing could cause the dollar to fall a little and gold prices to rise. Our view, however, is that this month will show a degree of positive political news for President Trump, and with good economic figures, we should expect stocks to rally, the dollar to strengthen and precious metal prices to fall. That said, we will admit that gold has remained relatively steadfast, though range-bound. It does appear, for the moment at least, that speculators are interested in trading, but physical buyers are staying away to some degree for the moment. Silver oscillated last week between $16.30 and $16.60, closing at $16.40. There is strong support and resistance at these levels, and silver has managed to perform relatively well. We still believe that it has a little downside to go, but fully accept that the upside clearly has much more potential, taking the medium to long-term view into account. Whilst this coming week has a number of economic statistics being reported, such as factory orders on Monday, and trade deficit and productivity figures on Wednesday, and wholesale inventories on Friday, we do not expect any of these to have much bearing on gold and silver prices. If we get chance this week, we will attempt to provide a short video on copper, as this seems to be attracting some interest within the investing community. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer: Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management, and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.